This is going to be a video tutorial on how to uninstall software and apps on Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To uninstall apps and software in Windows 10, you first want to go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on my start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, you want to find the one that says Apps. Click on Apps. Then on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on Apps and Features. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways under Apps and Features. You could search for the app that you want to uninstall right here, or you could scroll through your installed apps. These are in alphabetical order. What you'll do is you'll find the app that you want to uninstall. Say that I wanted to uninstall this one here. I'm going to left-click on it to select it. Then I'll click on Uninstall. I will click on Uninstall again. Now it is uninstalled. That is how to uninstall apps and software in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.